Hello guys, my name is JB Dan, and today I will show you how to verify your website, verify your WordPress website for free. Technically website verification is free, but I will show you how. Now as you can see here, go to your WordPress admin dashboard in this case. Now type your WordPress's domain, and after that type w admin right here. Now once you are on the dashboard, go to plugin. We are going to add a new plugin. Once you are on the plugin page, type insert header. Now it should appear. There we go. This is the plugin you want to install. Install it and activate it. I already activate it, so once you have done that, once you already activated your plugin, it should appear right on the settings page. Settings here, insert headers and footer. Now this plugin is very special because not only you can insert a header code, but you can also insert a body code and a footer code. So here, this is the example of a Google site verification. Now we are going to go to Google Webmaster. Dashboard. Now click here. Remember, the URL slug is google.com/webmaster/tool/dashboard. Always click on the first result. Now, since I already had a website, if you already had a website, add property. If you never add or verify a website on Google Webmaster Console, then you should be prompted this screen right here. Here, just copy and paste your URL. If you have a domain, just type here, but we are going to use the URL prefix. Continue. Okay guys, so this is what I meant. Now as you can see here is the step. Click continue, click expand right here, icon next to the HTML tag right here. Choose the HTML tag and copy the HTML tag. Once you done that, go to your WordPress plugin here, settings, go to settings and go to insert headers and footer. We are going to dump the verification code, and once you done that, click save. After you click save, you want to hit the verify button. Now as you can see here, leave the Google Search Console open. After that, you should get prompted that your website is now added to the property like I did. But that is it for now guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.